Hi, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. For this weekend,
Hey, hold up 1 second, please. Thank you. This one for all you mothers out there. I love you, Mom. Thank you for always loving me, always hugging me, and supporting me for who I want to be. Even though when I act a fool, I always can count on you, you think I'm cool. I not only appreciate you today, but forever. I got a #1 fan for all my endeavors. I love you, Mom. Back to you, Sha.
wow. Thanks, Jay. This weekend, for all the mothers out there, we're going to take $8,300 off of every e-Golfs in inventory.
Wow. And you gotta finance through Volkswagen Credit.
That's right.
Also, what we're gonna do is give you up to $50 in free driver gear.
How about if we throw in a 2-year maintenance as well?
That's right, 2-year maintenance or 24,000 miles.
That's right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.